So after finally waiting and seeing pairs that I was like, you know what? Oh, I might grab it, but the pair was somewhat defective. After finally waiting, as you guys know, I went ahead and streamed not too long ago over on the channel. Got Soul was this past weekend. Shout out for the ones that pulled up to the stream. I really appreciate you guys. I finally found this Air Jordan 11 I've been looking for a minute and for a good price. Shout out to the guy that even let me get these for the price too. Really appreciate you, because today, finally, I've been looking for these. We'll be taking a look at the Air Jordan 11 in the Win Like 96 colorway. And man, when I tell you I was willing to go and waiting for these for a good price, yeah, I finally got them for the price I wanted. And man, today, even though we're looking at a blast from the past, these are a bit old, 2017. They're still classic, and we still gotta talk about them. Let's do it right now, guys. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefright. I hope you're having a great day, and I truly hope that each and every single one of you are having a very blessed day. Now, as you can tell from the title, as you can tell from the intro, as you can see, we're taking a look at a blast from the past today. I'm bringing you guys yet another sneaker review, and the sneaker that we're taking a look at, or I guess you could say the brand that we're taking a look at, as you can clearly see, we're taking a look at Jordan brand today. And we're taking a look at a release that took place in 2017 that I was able to go ahead, and even though we're in 2025, you guys are probably like, why are we taking a look at a release right now? It's because I went to an event not too long ago, and I was able to go ahead and get these for a really good price. They are used, but they look really nice, and I was like, oh yeah. I've been wanting these for a minute. I was finally able to go ahead and get the price I wanted for them, so I did pull the trigger on them. And the sneaker that we're taking a look at today is the Air Jordan 11 Win Like 96 in its glorious colorway. And man, there's been a couple times when I've gone to events where I was looking for this particular shoe right here, and I just couldn't find it. The condition was like really like janky, was beat up, and I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna pay that. But I gotta let them go for me. We worked out a deal for a good price, and I'm happy I got them. So here shortly, before I go ahead and actually review the Win Like 96, I do want to give you guys your kudos, because man, I appreciate you each and every single time I upload a video. So I gotta take care of you first. So let's go. All right, first and foremost, before we go ahead and take a look at these sneakers, let me go ahead and say thank you, and thank you for all the love and the support that you seriously show. The momentum this year has been a tremendous amount that we've been doing. The goal is 10K, and I just want you guys to know that from the bottom of my heart, I really do appreciate you guys, because I mean, every time I'm uploading, when it comes to posts, when it comes to shorts, and we're staying consistent this year, you guys are always right there showing me love. So I gotta go ahead and make sure, I want you guys to know I really am thankful for you guys. Also, if you want to go ahead and get featured like you see right here, comment down below, and literally you can say anything you want to say. I like to engage with you guys, like serious. This content that I go ahead and make is not easy, so the feedback that you guys give me really means a lot. So I want to be able to shout you guys and actually show you guys that I do care, and I'm really paying attention, and just go ahead and give you guys that recognition, because it really is important. But like I said, you can say whatever you want to say, as long as if you want to get featured like you see right here, it's just engagement. That is what I'm looking for. So if you want to get featured, you got to engage. So with all of that said, finally, let's take a look at these Air Jordan 11 Win Like 96. Let's go. All right, so here we go right here. As you can see, the box this is how the old Air Jordan 11s used to come, and Nike, I need y'all, Nike and Jordan brand, we need more of these boxes moving forward. I don't know why you stopped making them like this, but this is what we want. So moving forward, as you can see right here, I am going to go ahead and read the size description. Here, let's go ahead and read Air Jordan 11 Retro, Gym Red, Black, White. Now, there is no SKU code on this, but as you can see, the colorway, or not colorway, but the price at the point when these first released was $220, and that's crazy to think, because now retro 11s are not going, they're going for more than some $220 right there. But I'm so happy because I was really wanting to go ahead and get a lot of this. So let's go ahead and pull it. As you see right here, you do get the 23, Michael Jordan's number. And thank you to the guy, man. Thank you. I forgot your name, brother, but thank you so much for the one that went ahead and you got me a good deal. I paid like what, $140 for these, and originally wanted $170, and I was like, let's talk it down because, you know, I'm gonna be rocking these. But here we go right here. As you see, the old slide out box. Let's go ahead and pull it. You see it. Oh, Air Jordan 11. Let's go ahead and put these right there. And this is the oldies right here. The oldies. When you go ahead and you get this back in the day, that's how they used to go ahead and bring it. You got the slide out right there, and you got that film right there. You have Roman numeral 11. Let's go ahead and take this out. Ooh, yes, sir. Actually, I'm gonna put this on the ground, actually. Let's go ahead and turn these things, and look how nice and historic it looks. As you see right here, the tissue paper, you have that carbon fiber tissue paper. And the carbon fiber is the exact same carbon fiber that is on the bottom of the outsole for the 11. But let's go ahead and pull these things back right now. And as we go ahead and pull it, in 3, 2, and 1, we are greeted with the Air Jordan 11 Win Like 96. And man, just like all of the other ones back in the day, this one looks very, very beautiful. Let's go ahead and print out the other one. Like I said, it is used, so you do have a little bit of age at the bottom of there, but nothing too crazy. This condition that I went ahead and got these for, and for the price I got it for, was a really good steal in my opinion. Let's go ahead and pull out the other one and let's talk about it. Boom, here we go. Right here we got the Air Jordan 11 Win Like 96, and these look really, really good. The condition, like I said, I got them in, they look crazy. There's no defects with it. Only thing that you can see with it is you probably can't even pick it up in the camera, but as you see right here, it is a little bit yellow, but nothing too crazy. These are still gonna go ahead and be nice and worn. So let's go ahead and actually take a look at the bottom of the left pair right here. So starting with the bottom of the outsole, as you can see, like all of your regular Air Jordan 11s. So this one does come with your red. You have the icy sole. Well, it's not so much icy anymore because it is used, but you have your icy sole, you have your Jumpman right there, and then you also do have more of the red. As you come up, you have an all white midsole, which goes all the way around the entirety of the shoe. As you come up, you get hit with that patent leather, that low cut patent leather, not the high cut that they went ahead and decided moving forward. All red patent leather. You have more hits of the red. You have the Jumpman right there, which is done in the black, excuse me. You have the 23 and the back of the heel right there. Looking at the front, you get more hit of that patent leather. You get more hit of the laces right there. And predominantly, it is an all red sneaker. And I think it's really clean because at the end of the day, it kind of reminds me a little bit of, well, this one came out first, but with the new installment of colorways that we've been getting with the Air Jordan 11 Cherry, with the all white being, or with the upper being white and this being red, back then they just went ahead and made this nice and red. So I'm very happy to get these because I was wanting these for a minute. I just could not find a good price, and I was able to finally find one. Take a look at the other one right here. There's no insane creases. They look really nice. I can't wait to put these things on feet. And yeah, you just never know. Like, do your looking, do your searching. You never know. Some people will let things go for very, very cheap, affordable price. You just gotta go ahead and actually like pay attention to it. And people will let them steals go for sure. But let me know what you think about them. Let me know, do you still have your pair? Are you been on the hunt for them like me? Let me know down below. I'm gonna go ahead and actually get these on feet right now, but before I do want to give you guys a closer perspective. That way, if you know, hey, if you're still on the hunt for these and you don't have them, you're trying to find a pair, then maybe by watching this video, you can learn something from it and you can see exactly how they look. So let's get a closer perspective on them, shall we? Here we go. Right here, we got the Air Jordan 11 Win Like 96 in its beautiful condition. And I want to get the Win Like 82s as well. A lot of those colorways are just very, very clean. I missed out back in the day. I just wasn't really focused on shoes like that, how I am now. So I was like, yeah, if I can get it for a good price, oh yeah. A little wear, nothing wrong. I can go ahead and clean them up, get them right and nice. But yeah, these are clean. I'm happy I was able to go ahead and pick these up. Let me know what you guys think about them below. And if you're on the hunt for these as well, like I said, try different, like, not consignment stores, but like different platforms. GOAT, that's the only one I ever use. You might be able to go ahead and find these for us even lower than what I got them for. So just do your searching and you could probably find these for a good price, guys. But let me know what you guys think about these below. Right, ladies and gentlemen, this has been the review over the Air Jordan 11 Win like 96, man. And I'm so happy to see I'm finally have these in the collection. Let me know what you think about them. Hey, we have a lot of releases coming out for this year. I know this is a blast from the past, but we have a lot of 11s coming out. We have the 11 lows coming here shortly in the next 2 weeks. We have the Gamma 11s coming out. I would love if Nike could go ahead and, like, Nike and Jordan Brand, give us the slide out box. Like, that would be so clean. You give me the slide out box for the Gamma 11s. I don't know if they'll even do it, but I'll be so happy. But I'm just happy even for the mere fact that the shoe's actually coming out. But the slide out box, man, that was just A1 creativity at that point. But let me know what you guys think about that, about these. I love you guys a lot. Appreciate all the love and support that you show. I will catch you guys in the next one. Remember, it's only every one you. Be the best you. I love y'all a lot. On feet's coming right now. Let's get into it. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.